apply to all, okay? Remember, we're thinking, what is the author really trying to say? What is the character learning? What are we as the readers learning in this? Got that so far?
No.
Okay, common topics that we talk about. Love, growing up, poverty, abuse, racism, identity. If we think back to Forged by Fire, right? What is that common theme in Forged by Fire? Jihad?
Forged by Fire, the theme is, I can't see. It comes from your mind.
Leo. Isaiah, can you help me out? Abuse. Good, right? One of the common themes in Forged by Fire is abuse, right? That's a common topic that we see throughout the actual novel. Does that make sense so far? Okay, so when we're coming up with a common topic, we just need to think, what is this actually about? Okay? A checklist we need to remember when we're coming up with different themes is, does it apply to all? If so, we can check that off. Is there evidence to back that up? Yes, no? If it's yes, we can check that off, right? And does it apply to all parts of the story? So that means the middle, the beginning, and the end. I just went out of order just to trip myself up, just to make that easy, right? Beginning, middle, and end, okay? It needs to apply to all of these things. Does this make sense so far? Yes. Okay, so I want everyone to look at the article from yesterday. Have the article from yesterday in front of you. You have room in the top corner over here, right? Okay. Do you or not?
I don't.
Yes, okay. Top corner. I want you to write the word topic.
Figure it out.
Article from yesterday. Top corner. Draw a box. Write the word topic inside of it. Everyone have that? I'm going to give you 1 minute, 30 seconds, maybe, if that, to come up with a topic of what this myth was trying to tell you. Remember, multiple choice questions can help you. Hint, hint. Got it? Okay?
I can't wait.
Ready? So you have 30 seconds. I'm going to come around and try and see who has a different topic for me to go up to the front. Okay, 30 seconds. Figure out your topic, starting now. 30 seconds.
Go ahead.
Come on, 30 seconds. You're ready. Come here. Come here. Stand close.
This is about the topic of the story.
Topic? What's the topic?
Brianna.
Bye. Topic?
Isaiah. Isaiah. Come on. Brianna.
So we should all be silently writing the topic in that box of the reading. If you are talking right now, we're going to ask for your demerit card. If you're not writing, you will lose points. Let's go quickly. Should see all pens and pencils moving, all mouths closed. Take your demerit card out, please. I just told you to step off 3 times. Take your demerit card out, please.
Alright, in 5. Eyes up here in 4. In 3. Voices up in 2. And 1. I should have all focus up here. So, as I went around, I saw there was a bunch of different topics. Okay? We need to remember that it's okay to have different types of themes happening. Does that make sense? So, I'm going to put down the ones that I saw that a lot of people have. The first one I saw was power. Another one I saw was equality. And another one that I saw was bravery. Okay? What I'm going to do is give you like a multiple choice question. Okay? So let's take a vote on this. Alright, remember, it doesn't have to be just one, but just so we have a common theme happening for this one myth, we're going to take a vote. Okay, so if you agree with one, when I tell you, you're going to put a 1 up, a 2 up, or a 3 up. When I say 1, 2, 3, vote. Got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, vote. Hold your hands up high so I can take a count. I need an actual number, Joe, so you can't have 10 up there. Okay, I have a tie between 1s and 2s. Alright, everyone's focused back up here. Ready? So, if you have, hands down now, thank you. Okay, so, it's okay to have a different theme and a different idea in your head, okay? As long as it answers the questions, what is this author really trying to say to us? Is he trying to talk about power? Is he trying to talk about equality, okay? What is the character learning through this? Does the character learn more about power, or does he learn more about equality? What is the reader learning about this? Are we learning more about equality, or are we learning more about power? Okay? So if I ask you to take a vote again between 1 and 2, when I say 1, 2, 3 vote, you're putting a 1 or a 2 in the air for bravery or for equality or power. Got it? 1, 2, 3 vote. Alright, so we still have a tie. Okay, so let's go with both of them. Listen up. So, listen up. Hands down again for me. Hands down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so whichever one you chose, that's fine. Make sure you write that at the top of your paper under topic. Okay? 5 seconds to write that down. You either chose equality or power. Okay?
Yo, rate yours out the question.
All right? So, guys. Hey,
Shut up.
Margarita. Honey.
Keep talking about something.
Okay, so you either have one of these 2 themes, Joseph, Isaiah, up here. You either have one of these 2 themes at the top of your paper, okay? So, we found one that applies to all, so we can check that off. The next thing we need to do is go in and find evidence for either equality or power, okay? So I'm going to give you 5 minutes to go back into the myth, and what I want you to do is underline and star, okay, any piece of evidence that has to do with equality or power. Everyone have that so far?
Yes.
Whichever word you chose up here, you're going back in, underlining the evidence, and starring it. Make sure your star is big in the margin so I can track where you're at in the myth. Yes?
Should students be talking during this time?
They should be independent and silently working on this task. That means alone. Isaiah.
Can I choose bravery?
Okay? So, you have 5 minutes to individually and silently work on the task at hand, underlining and putting a star in the margin. Ready? Set. And go. Thank you, Samia, for getting started. Thank you, Mecca, for getting started.
I actually see a lot of students getting right to work this time. Awesome. Let's everybody get to task. Let's go, Isaiah. Can we? Isaiah.
Yes.
Eyes on text, please. Eyes on your text, please. Find me. Mr. Manning, let's go. Eyes on text, finding more.